Heidi. She is a 2015 BMW 335i M Sport. She is the focus of this channel. She is the highlight. But obviously we're going to do other things like product reviews and other types of content, but most of those actually will still revolve around Heidi and how they work with her. The liquid wrap, pros and cons of liquid wrap, how we clean it, how we maintain it, the mods on the car, the companies we work with and stuff like that, especially with Eurofed. They help me a lot on this car. If you're in the Atlanta area, that's probably the best place to go to take care of your Euro car, and they actually take care of just about any car as well. But let's get into the modification. Heidi sits real pretty on a Bilstein B14 Coilover suspension, which was adjusted and set up by Eurofed. This is perfect. I couldn't have expected anything better. I love this stance, nice and clean. So Heidi has several carbon parts from RW Carbon. We have the side mirrors here, the mirror caps. We have the side skirts. We have a carbon fiber spoiler and a carbon fiber diffuser in the back, if you can see that and how dark it is. Around the front, we have a carbon fiber splitter, which gives me parking lot anxiety in everywhere I go, because with the suspension I have, it is very low to the ground, but looks amazing. So Heidi has a liquid wrap, which is basically on this car is plain white plasti dip as a base coat, and then there's a satin clear that's put over top of it. And in that satin clear we put pearl flakes. These are Kppigments blue interference. The top coat is Halo and the base coat is Dipyourcar.com. So as you go through, you can see that it's more of a ghosting effect on this pearl. With the satins, it doesn't reflect light, so you get a sheen to the car. It looks really great at night, really great during the day. The only problem with plasti dip, and especially satin, it gets really dirty really quick. Stuff just sticks to it. Bugs love it, they stick to it all the time. But you can see the ghosting effect on this blue. As you can see, Heidi is optioned with the M Sport Brembo brakes. We also have the M Sport wheels, which look great. I love these wheels. Unless I change the color of the car, I'm not going to change the wheels, but I did put 15mm spacers in the back and 10mm in the front. So we got a nice stance across the back. So this is Heidi's interior, this red. This was really hard to find with the M Sport package. Was able to find one. As you can also see right here on the door jamb, this is the original color. This is Alpine White. You can see the line from the plastic dip here as well as this wears out. The M Sport package comes with M badges in several places. Never on the back though. Don't want to do the fake M stuff. But as you can see, these metal accents, I love them. A lot of people change them. They change them to carbon fiber and other types of materials, but I just love this metal look. This is another great part of the M Sport package, is this steering wheel. I love the steering wheel. This is one that a lot of people take on other BMWs, and they take this and upgrade their car with it. This comes with the M Sport package. It's amazing with the paddle shifters. It just feels really good. So this is the heart of Heidi. This is a 3.0 liter inline 6 twin scroll turbo. This is the N55 generation. So the generation before this was a twin turbo. They had 2 air filters over here and then 2 turbos. This is a twin scroll turbo, more efficient single turbo type. There's 2 inlets from the header, creates more efficient boost. So they went to this with this generation, and the B58 has a twin scroll turbo as well. So this is a CTS Turbo intake. We also have inlet and charge piping from VRSF. We have a catless downpipe, which you really can't see on this side down there. VRSF also with the 5-inch front mount intercooler. She is MHD Stage 2 Plus tuned. The burble settings are set at about 0.6 seconds on medium and at 3,000 RPM. I wanted to be able to have it below 3,000 because I didn't want it to pop and bang all the time, only when I really wanted it to. Now in the back, Heidi sports just a straight pipe exhaust, 3-inch mid pipe all the way from the downpipe out back to a Y pipe, 2.5-inch outlets from that into these big 3.5-inch tips. The sound on this car is amazing, which you'll see in the clips above. it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed Heidi, and the many other things coming to this channel with product reviews, other types of content as well. Please like, comment, share. Have a great day. She's the highlight of this channel. Obviously, that can't be. 2015 BMW 335i. BMW 335i. Is there a year? Can you do a year? Jesus. And there's wind. Wind.